All right, so someone on Twitter put this video up today. It's a cool little walk down memory lane for us. This is 2010 on Uconn's way to the Fiesta Bowl that year. There's an interception here by Kendall Reyes. I think he played for the Eagles. And look at 29 come out of nowhere with the block. Now Taylor's 5'9", so for him to come through and stick an alignment like this that's a play. Look at that right there. Try to slow it down. It's super grainy. Let me move my head. Look at that. Look at the boy.